Let's start with bomb cyclones. Imagine a storm so intense, its pressure drops incredibly fast, like a bomb going off in the atmosphere. That's a bomb cyclone, officially defined as a storm whose central pressure plummets at least 24 millibars in 24 hours. We saw two of these beasts slam the Pacific Northwest within just 3 days in November 2024. One, off the coast of Washington state, became the second strongest storm in Oregon history, with winds clocking in at over 70 miles per hour. Think downed trees, power outages, and even tragically, loss of life. These storms aren't just wind. They bring torrential rains, flooding, and heavy mountain snow. We'll see how AI is helping us predict these rapid intensification events better, giving us more time to prepare. Paired with those bomb cyclones were atmospheric rivers. Imagine colossal rivers of water vapor in the sky, flowing from the tropics to higher latitudes. These atmospheric rivers fueled the intense rains in the Pacific Northwest, dumping over a foot of rain in some parts of Northern California. Think of them as fire hoses of moisture aimed at the coast, leading to flash floods, mudslides, and landslides. They're a crucial part of the water cycle, but their intensity can be devastating. We'll discuss how climate change may be influencing the frequency and strength of these atmospheric river events. Shifting gears to the Atlantic, let's talk about Hurricane Milton. This monster was a Category 5 hurricane, the highest category on the Saffir-Simpson scale, with winds briefly exceeding 200 miles per hour. It nearly broke the known maximum strength limits, prompting discussions about a Category 6 designation. Milton slammed Florida's Gulf Coast as a Category 3 hurricane, causing at least 16 fatalities, widespread destruction, and over 2.4 million power outages. The storm also spawned numerous tornadoes, adding to the devastation. We'll examine the path of destruction and the ongoing recovery efforts. It's important to understand the Saffir-Simpson scale. It categorizes hurricanes from 1 to 5 based on wind speed, offering a quick way to gauge a hurricane's potential damage. Category 5 is the most intense, with sustained winds of 157 miles per hour or higher. The sheer power of Milton reignited the debate about whether we need a Category 6 for storms exceeding theoretical limits. Some experts believe it's necessary as climate change potentially fuels stronger hurricanes. We'll explore both sides of this debate and discuss the broader implications for hurricane preparedness. Another hurricane, Francine, hit Louisiana as a Category 2 storm, bringing days of flooding rain across the South. While a glancing blow to Texas, it caused significant flooding and disruption. It's a reminder that even weaker hurricanes can have severe impacts, especially flooding rainfall. We'll discuss the importance of flood preparedness, even for those outside the direct path of a hurricane. Hurricane Umberto, a Category 3 storm, delivered a glancing blow to Bermuda, bringing strong winds and power outages even without a direct hit. This highlights the far-reaching impact of hurricanes, with strong winds and dangerous waves extending far from the storm's center. We'll discuss the importance of heeding warnings even if you're not expecting a direct hit. Tropical Storm Hannah gave the Houston area a glancing blow, emphasizing the need for preparedness even with a less intense storm. While the Houston area largely avoided the worst, Hannah brought heavy rain, some flooding, and strong winds along the coast. It's a testament to the unpredictable nature of these storms and the importance of monitoring forecasts closely. We'll discuss the steps to take before, during, and after a tropical storm. Tropical Storm Hone reminded Hawaii of the importance of being prepared for strong winds and flooding rain. A rare direct strike threat of a named storm, Honu highlights that even areas less frequently hit are at risk from extreme weather emergencies, and that preparation is key. We'll also talk about the different preparation needed, depending on where you might experience extreme weather threats. Beyond hurricanes, we'll look at other extreme weather events. A late March winter storm in Minnesota and Wisconsin, and chilling temperatures and possible storms in the D.C. area in January highlight the need for year-round preparedness. A house fire sparked by a chimney fire in Enfield, New York, underscores the importance of home safety checks, especially as we transition between seasons. We'll discuss the importance of being weather-aware throughout the year and preparing for unexpected events like winter storms in spring. Now, let's talk about preparing for these extreme weather events. First, create a disaster preparedness kit. Include essentials like water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, flashlights, batteries, a radio, and important documents. Know your evacuation routes and have a plan for your family and pets. Stay informed by monitoring weather forecasts closely and signing up for emergency alerts. During a storm, stay indoors, away from windows, and follow instructions from local authorities. After a storm, be careful of downed power lines and debris. Check on your neighbors, especially the elderly and vulnerable. And most importantly, remember that preparation is key to minimizing the impact of these powerful storms. AI is transforming meteorology, improving the accuracy and timeliness of our forecasts. From predicting hurricane tracks to identifying potential flash flood zones, AI is helping us get ahead of the storm. Researchers are using AI to analyze massive data sets of weather information, identifying patterns and trends that humans might miss. This allows us to predict the intensity and impact of storms more effectively, giving us valuable time to prepare and respond. We'll showcase exciting advancements in AI-powered weather forecasting and discuss the potential to minimize the impact of future extreme weather events. Finally, let's talk about the elephant in the room, climate change. Many scientists believe that climate change is contributing to the increasing frequency and intensity of these extreme weather events. Warmer ocean temperatures fuel stronger hurricanes, and changes in atmospheric patterns can amplify atmospheric rivers. It's a topic that demands our attention and action. We'll discuss the role of climate change in shaping our weather and explore the steps we can take to mitigate its impacts. I want to close by emphasizing the importance of community and support during these challenging times. Check on your neighbors, volunteer your time, and donate to relief efforts if possible. We're all in this together, and by supporting each other, we can overcome any challenge. Remember, we're stronger together. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content about AI and its impact on our world.